Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years. Today I'm going to show you how to make bird's nest craft for toddlers. So here I have just an ordinary piece of brown construction paper, and here I have 3 little egg shapes that I cut out of a really pretty blue construction paper as well. Now what we're going to do is take this construction paper and cut a bird's nest shape out of it. And then I'm going to take some Elmer's glue apply it to the back. And place the eggs into the nest. Now, it's not entirely complete. It can be, depending on the child. But if the child really wants, they can draw some scribbles around and make it look like it's a real bird's nest with straw. And then you can teach them too how birds make nests and why they do and where they get their materials from. They often use human hair, animal hair, twigs, pieces of string, lots of different things depending on where they come from. And that is a bird's nest craft for toddlers. See you next time.